Alright, so what's going on, guys? Welcome back here to another video. In today's video, I want to share with you guys a nice little John boat setup here. It's actually my uncle's and he just picked it up. So let me go ahead and do a little walkthrough and show you guys this setup. Maybe it gives you guys some idea, some perspective of some nice things he has. So yeah, let me go ahead and do you a little walkthrough and show you his setup. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Let's go. Alright guys, so here it is. It's a Tracker Topper 14. This is one of the most famous John boats brands out there. It's a Bass Pro Tracker, 14 foot long. I believe it's about 5 feet or 4.5 feet wide. So it's actually a pretty decent sized boat here. A lot of room. He picked this one up used, and the previous owner, he made a nice little front deck here. He had a trolling motor, a pedestal seat, and my uncle actually went ahead and removed all that. He put a front base here. He's gonna actually put a transom mount trolling motor here that he's gonna adjust so it could work in the front here. But as you can see, this deck is pretty sturdy. It's made out of if you look in there, it's made out of plywood and some 2x, so it stands up pretty solid here. I think it's attached to the side rail here by some screws here, so it's actually a pretty nice setup. I've never seen something like this. I usually see people do a front deck but off the bottom bench seats here, so that's actually a pretty cool setup here. Moving here to the back, you got some cleats here, which it's not really an ideal position. It could get tangled and stuff like that, but I guess it'll work. And the cool thing about this boat, it actually comes with a live well system. Look at that. He has some random stuff in here right now, but as you can see, it's got a drain down there, and you can set this thing up as a live well. Now, one thing I would say is I don't know how well this would act as a live well here in Florida, at least. This right here, it's so hot. I'm pretty sure you could fry an egg on here. So this gets extremely hot. So I'm not sure how it will do as a live well. So that might be something to consider if you guys are thinking about buying one of these and using it here in Florida as a live well. So keep that in mind. Moving here to the back, you got a nice big space here. And then back here on the rear bench, they actually ended up putting a piece of plywood and a carpet over it. Same idea, probably just because of how hot it gets. They wanted something comfortable to sit on. So moving to the back here, he does have a pretty decent sized gas tank. This is like 6 gallons right here. So nice sized gas tank. And it comes back to a Mercury 6 or 5 horsepower. Mercury 5 horsepower here. Pretty nice little outboard. Is perfect for any waters down here. Mainly this boat would be for nice for canals, you know, back bays and stuff like that here in Florida. So as you can see, nice little setup here. Nothing too fancy, very simple, but it'll get the job done here. Let me show you guys a trailer. It sits on a easy loader single axle trailer there. Very nice little setup, very light trailer. I mean, this could be something that anybody could tow around or anything like that. Show you how it sits here in the back. It's got 2 bunks back there. Pretty simple setup there. So yeah, as you can see, very simple setup, very inexpensive setup here. Gets you out on the water, gets you fishing. That's what counts. So there you go. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video, this little walkthrough video here. If you guys are liking these walkthrough videos, I know I did one earlier of my 10-foot John boat that I picked up. And now this is a 14-foot Tracker here. So if you do like those walkthrough videos, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see more of these, because I'll definitely be able to, you know, find some more John boat projects like this, find some more people that are willing to do little walkthrough videos like this, and I'll definitely put some more content like this out there for you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a thumbs up. Like I said, comments in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to check out realfinchflorida.com for kayak fishing charters here in Southwest Florida. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Let's go.